Hello.
Hello, Al.
He's back. He's brand new.
Yeah. Good like a good un now. I can stand at the trough now and sort of equal up with most people now.
Welcome back, mate. Good to see you looking well.
Yeah. It was a close one, but there we are.
Just one of life's challenges.
Oh, certainly is.
Yeah. Can I ask you a question, James?
Yeah.
You seem to, I don't want to say waste, spend a lot of time and money on these old things. Is it fruitful as a business for you?
Oh Christ, no.
It's a passion project, is it?
Yeah. Don't mean no. I don't
It's
mean
an illness. It's an
I
illness.
don't,
An illness?
Yeah. No. The classic bikes has nothing to do with my business. Absolutely nothing whatsoever.
Spend half your time on them.
Yeah, but it's only mad if we're going to do a meeting like we're going to do this weekend.
I mean, Derek's really setting to work, isn't he?
Yeah, you want to see him really go at it.
He's a right.
Look at him. Look, he loves it. He wants to reap the benefits of his hard work.
Been known to be a bit of a scrubber on this side. I got to polish his rear end.
Oh yeah. So the last time this bike was ridden, Will smashed it out, did he?
Yeah, you broke it.
Yeah.
It's all dented, brand new exhaust pipe. All dented and broken out, don't fit properly, and it's just look at all the scratches. And what thanks do I get?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Here, Dad. Hey, yeah.
Yeah,
Fix this.
Fix this. It's
Yeah.
broke.
And you're racing this weekend as well.
Remember the canter?
You're in the Canto, is that what? Yeah.
It's a canter.
Yeah.
Little canter ring. Derek's going to come as my support chief.
Is he?
Oh,
Yeah.
try and be. Well, if he happens to sort of conk out a bit, I'll take over. Nobody will know any difference.
That's brutal, isn't
That
it?
is brutal.
That is brutal.
Mind you, he can pedal. He can pedal a bike. He ain't
I
scared.
have a video of him doing 4 laps
On what?
on this bike.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, phone. So you missed us, Rick?
Huh?
You missed us?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, I had a hole in the head once.
Did
Missed
you?
that as well.
It's called fatigue.
Fata what?
Fatigue, which doesn't do with the waistline.
Fatigue?
Yeah.
Oh, fatigue.
Yeah.
Fatty what?
Fatigue.
Fatigue.
I knew a Fatima Whitbread.
Yeah.
She could run mine, couldn't she?
My ex-girlfriend was called Fatima.
Was she?
Yeah. I
Fatima.
took her on that stag booty stag do. Absolutely ruined her.
Yeah. Just wrecked her.
Yeah.
Soiled.
She couldn't walk for days. But she couldn't walk anyway.
Can't walk anyway.
Hi guys, it's been a while, isn't it? I'm so sorry we haven't had a video in ages. If you hadn't noticed, we've been flat out. We've been burning the candle and everything else at both ends. Doing Budget Bike Battle, Super Adventure, ready for the cinema in a few weeks. And of course out on YouTube. So yeah, we've just been beyond flat out. So this is the first video in I think about a month. Apologies for that, but we're back to normal very soon. And as I said, Budget Bike Battle 8 will be on the cinema, be on the YouTube screens beginning of May, just after cinema. So if you haven't bought your cinema tickets yet, go and buy them. I'll put a link in the Dizzy because we've already got 2 venues sold out and they're selling out quick. So if you want us to come and see us, come and chat, come and get pissed with us. Tickets in the Dizzy. And what the bloody hell is this little item we have here, William? I mean, I know what it is, but I mean, where and what the how? What? How?
It's a race kit SP1. The history of it, apparently it was raced at BSB in the superbike class in like 2000. I got told it as I can't remember.
Right.
And then since then it's been changed, had the Olin's front end put on it, and it's not been used for nearly 20 years.
Bloody hell.
So I've been tasked with rebuilding it, and I've brought it in bits. Literally a rolling chassis, and we've stripped it back down, serviced the suspension, greased all the bearings, and then the rest of it is in boxes on the floor.
Honda know how to build a trick bike, don't they? And of course all the that swing arm's not standard, is it? That's had some work done to that.
No, that's had a lot of work done to it.
Yeah.
But you've seen this.
Bracing.
So where it was made on the same jig as the standard road ones, then it was taken off before it was finished machined. So on the road bikes, they're drilled and tapped up in here to close up.
Yeah.
And they have sliding bushes, and these are machined for it, and they're threaded inside, and they got movable.
This is a proper Honda race bike, not a...
This is a kit race bike. It's not a factory bike, but it's a kit bike. So it uses OEM parts which are then built by the race department.
Right.
So if you were a customer and you want to race an SP1
Yeah.
back in the day, this is the parts catalogue bike you could buy. The frame, the swinging arm, the 2-in-1 exhaust.
Can you do anything with this mag? Clean it.
Yeah, we
You
got
polish
we
it?
got carbon covers. We got to go back
Oh,
on.
okay,
it.
of course
We
you
got
have, yeah.
brand new carbon covers.
Period.
Yeah, period ones.
95 years of JHS racing. Oh, 25 years of JHS racing.
No, I've gone through the change now.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You post op, are you?
Yeah, I've gone through the change, so I'm not bleeding too much these days.
James is trying to get me to ride one of these, and this is my favourite, without doubt. This is my favourite. What is it?
Try it, Matisse.
A Rickman Matisse.
Yeah.
A Rickman Matisse. I mean, look at it.
But it's quite a sad story.
Is it?
Yes, yeah. I'm doing this job for another dealer,
Right.
but the owner got killed 2 weeks ago.
Oh my god.
So anyway, we've done the bike. His family wanted the bike done, so we got it done. So see if it goes.
Yeah. Put a boot on, Rick. Let me now.
Yeah, I know.
That's gonna snap your leg again.
Yeah, you need smell-o-vision.
You need smell of. Oh, I wish you could scratch and sniff this bugger. Oh my god, that's beautiful. So it's actually your. So it's, I thought it was one of yours. It's not.
No, I've just done a top-end build on it.
Oh. Oh, what have we done? Is that a lightsaber?
Could be. Might save my life.
But you're not supposed to look at that.
Oh, it's a little flame, isn't it?
Whoa!
Whoa!
Fucking hell.
Gypsy in the camp. It's only a flame.
So William, you're gearing up for a weekend.
Yep.
At Tom Fanu.
Yep, on Easter Sunday.
That's. I'm really jealous of that. I'm gonna come and do that meeting.
It's a good meeting.
Yeah.
Good meeting.
It's where they clear the sheep shit out the day before.
Yep.
And you go racing on the track.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a bit like Aberdare, but a little bit more
Manly.
rural. Yeah.
Yeah, I reckon the budget bike battle bikes would be good for that, wouldn't they?
Yeah, it's
Knobblies.
rough.
Yeah.
It's rough. It's hard.
Yeah.
You got to ride through the field before you get out.
And what are
get
you
out.
riding? You riding that?
I'm riding that Super Twin.
600?
And Triumph 675.
Oh right.
You got to have a fast bike there.
Yeah.
It's point and squirt, first gear,
Yeah.
hard out.
I normally like it hard in.
Yeah. In and out.
Yeah.
Work it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
James, we've got to talk about this.
This.
The Monarch.
Monarch.
Monarch. So, this was Husqvarna, is that what you're saying?
Well, it's the predecessor to
Yeah.
Husqvarna.
Yeah. Oh, it's not Husqvarna.
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 Husqvarna. It's Swedish,
There's
isn't
no
it?
3 A's.
No.
There's not 3 A's in it.
Well, there is in Bristol. Yeah, so this is something I bought.
You've had a bit of a buying spree recently, I see.
With mental illness comes a number of positives and negatives, and one of the negatives means that you buy things to make yourself feel better,
Right.
and then regret it.
Well, you're not regretting buying this, are you?
No, not in the slightest.
No.
But it's the other bikes I bought with it.
Ah. Right.
See, it doesn't come as one. I usually buy three.
So, obviously you bought the... I think we had that on camera yet? You bought a brand new
I bought a brand new
4RT? Because you're mates with Tony Bone, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Me and Tone joined at the hip.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I haven't used it yet. I haven't had a chance.
Come on. Get it out.
What else?
Alright, Tony. Alright, Tony. How's it going, Tony? Alright?
Very well.
Lunatic,
Yeah, right.
Lunatic's back.
But you can talk all right till I came off.
Right, Ricky, I'm going to love you and leave you.
You going, are you?
Yeah.
Are you taking the jigsaw with you?
Taking it.
Because we was going to take it apart.
No, sorry. Some lucky winner is going to win that.
Yeah. Have you got it in the van?
Yeah, it's in the van.
Really?
Yeah,
You
it's
got
in...
a key?
Yeah. It's gone.
There's a gap. It's another one done.
Gap in your heart as well.
Hey, do you know what's really nice?
What? Son?
Son, I really, really hate winter.
Well, it's ironic that we've been sat in our respective offices working our nuts off and not seeing a bit of sun.
Well, it seems
Then-
like 6 months of grey,
Yeah,
and it really brought me down.
yeah, but it's been lovely recently, isn't
It
it?
has been really
Yeah.
nice recently.
I will see you in a few days or a week or so, Rick.
Okay, dude.
Lovely to see you.
What's next, though, isn't it?
Well, we've got to do this CRF MT10 mashup, haven't we?
Yeah, I tell you what. It's quite funny you should say that.
Oh yeah.
Because the young boy
Yeah.
has bought himself a container, so I can now remove some of his equipment from one of my containers
Okay.
and get to the bike.
Oh, good.
Because at the moment, I think there's about 10 bikes in front of it.
Right.
Mostly RS 250s.
A pretty as shit.
Yeah, pretty pup. So, yes, we do need to do that.
Yeah.
And we are getting some light at the end of the tunnel.
Sweet.
So that'll be the next thing. If it sounds anything like that Triumph. Tasty.